Leader of Thma U Rangli and social activist Angela Rangad had filed a complaint to the Meghalaya Lokayukta on Monday to compel the institution to look into the issue of corruption in the state, which has been prevailing especially amongst bureaucrats and other government officials. As per Section 45 of the Lokayukta Act 2013, mention is made of the presumption as to the acquisition of assets by corrupt means in certain cases. However, referring to the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act 2014, Angela Rangad spoke on the importance of implementing Section 45, which clearly states that every public servant on entry to office must make a declaration of assets and liabilities, and the same shall be published by a competent authority on the website of each government department by the 31st of August every year.
That Section 45 of the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act is implemented. Section 45 talks clearly about the fact that public servants need to declare their assets annually. You know, IAS officers actually have to do this under the DOPT. Here in Meghalaya, we have to again just revisit history a little bit. In 2005, when we got the RTI, all of us were filing RTIs, all of us finding corruption here and there. But all we could do is to file FIRs. It was then that we said that we need a full-fledged institution like the Lokayukta to look into cases of corruption and abuse of power. And 2007 onwards, we started the campaign, and finally, after a long struggle in 2014, Meghalaya has one of the best Lokayukta Acts, because we kept pushing clause by clause. Every time there was an assembly session, we would protest on this institution to ensure that they use those provisions where they can summon documents, summon people, to ensure that corruption does not exist anymore in this state. And me and you as citizens also need to ensure that this institution works and that this act is not something merely in paper. So we are asking for the declaration of assets register, because they're supposed to file it, and through the declaration of assets we can understand if there is disproportionate assets among our public servants. Because of late, especially over the COVID 2 years, there's rumors everywhere about how some public representatives and bureaucrats have been amassing wealth by taking from the public coffers. Now we need to know the truth about this.